Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Arms Academy. Today, now we are going to do lesson number 9 Heat, Standard 7, Subject Science. This is the explanation video, and this is the part 2 of the video. And I'm thinking, students, in the part 1, I have shown to you lesson number 8 Heat. So, it is become from a mistake, so sorry for that, but I have wrote on the video is lesson number 9, so you can check that also. So prepared by Farooq Muhammad on channel's name Ons Academy. So let's begin. See the first slide shown to us here. What does heat causes contraction in liquids? When substances expand or contract, their particles stay the same size. Is the space between the particles that charges the particles in a solid vibrate more when it is heated and take up more room. The particles in a liquid move around each other more when it is heated and take up more room. Use your brain power. Why is there a gap at the joints of rails and of cement concentrate bridges? Expansion and contraction of liquids due to heat. So this use your brain power you have to do by your own, because many use your brain powers I have shown from this lessons, but you have to do now by your own. When a liquid is heated, the distances between its particles increase and its volume too increases. This is called the expansion of liquids. When its temperature falls, the liquid contracts. Expansion and contraction of liquids due to heat. Apparatus 500 milliliter conical flask to hold rubber stopper, glass tube, measuring ruler, thermometer stand, wire, gauge, burner, gas, paper, etc. When, when substances expand, when substances expand or contract, the particles stay the same size. The particles in a liquid move around each other more when it is heated and take up more room. The particles in a gas move more quickly in all the directions. Once again, in all directions when it is heated and take up more rooms. So students, I would like to tell you, like, share, subscribe my channel Ons Academy. So I know you will do it, but I also want to tell you, see the first part of the video I have shown to you. The link is in the description also, and I have after in the last of the video you will see that video in up. Okay. Does heat cause contraction in liquids? When substances expand or contract, their particles stay the same size. It is the space between the particles that changes. Her particles in a solid vibrate more when it is heated and take up more room. The particles in a liquid move around each other more when it is heated and take up more room. Expansion and contraction of gases due to heat. Apparatus, glass, metal, balloon, hot water, etc. Expansion and contraction of the gases due to the heat. This is the from textbooks. Producer fix a balloon on the mouth of a glass bottle. Hold this bottle in hot water. What happens? The volume of a gas increases on heating. This is so students. This is also an activity. The result of the activity is this. The volume of a gas increases on heating. This is called expansion of the heat gas. On the other hand, on removing heat, the volume of the gas decreases. This is called a contraction of the gas. Flask. Now here see I have try to show you flask. A vacuum flask is an insulating storage vessels that greatly lengthens the time over which its contents remain hotter or cooler than the flask surroundings. Invented by Sir James Dewar in 1892, the vacuum flask consists of two flasks placed on within the other and joined at the neck. So you would know what is the flask? Flask is the thermos. Here the topic is also I have shown thermos flask. You might have seen a thermos flask used for keeping tea, coffee, milk, etc. For keeping it hot or cold, like sherbet also for a long time. Whenever what is the structure and how does it function? Here all the functions I have shown to us, and the diagram is also shown. This write in this caution copy it in your notebook and draw this diagram. So students, now here the flask, this is the thermos, and in thermos we put sherbets or any other thing for colding. Whenever we put a cold thing, it will be cold for a long time, or whenever we put a hot thing, it will be hot for a long time, like tea. Tea will be hot in the thermos of a long time, and we will put juice in the thermos. It will be also cold in the thermos at a long time. Also sherbets. Okay, now use your brain power. Buy mercury or alcohol used in thermometer. Mercury is the only one in liquid state at room temperature. It's used in thermometers because has high coefficient of expansion. Hence, the slightest change in temperature is notable. When it is used in a thermometer, it also has a high boiling point, which makes it very suitable to measure higher temperatures. Great scientists. Sir James Dewar has a Scottish scientist. He made the first thermos flask in 1892. That is why it is called Dewar flask. Even today, a Dewar flask is used for keeping substance cold or hot. Okay. So this is the diagram of a thermos. This is compulsory to make in your notebook and write the thermos flask. Functions of the thermos flask. When a hot substance is placed, thermos flask offer the heat going out reflected to the shining surface of the inner tube. Hence, the heat is not radiation, neither conduction nor convection. So this I have done. So this see this diagram. This thing is called silvered surface of the glass. This is called spring. This is called metal plastic jar. This is called vacuum. This is rubber support. This is sponge, hot or cold liquid. So this diagram you may make it in your notebook. Okay. See, a thermos helps prevent heat loss when the thermos is holding a hot substance, and then helps prevent heat gain when the thermos is holding a cold substance. So a thermos can keep hot things hot and cold things cold. Find out what is meant by thermoware. Thermoware are the objects which do not allow heat to escape and keeps the object inside it warm. For example, thermos flask, thermalware, clothes, etc. Thanks for watching.